Welcome to Turbo Rider. Today, I'm going to talk about the 2025 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy 114, a legendary cruiser known for its power, design, and classic Harley attitude. Engine and performance. The 2025 Fat Boy is powered by the Milwaukee 8 114 V-twin engine. It's a huge 1868 cubic centimeters motor that produces about 155 Newton meters of torque at low RPM. This gives the bike instant acceleration and that deep Harley thunder. It's air and oil cooled, paired with a smooth 6-speed gearbox, and reaches a top speed of around 180 to 190 kilometers per hour. Iconic design. What makes the Fat Boy instantly recognizable is its muscular look. It features the famous solid disc Lancaster wheels, heavy chrome styling, and a bold stance. For 2025, Harley has improved the chrome detailing, making the bike look even more premium and eye-catching on the road. Comfort and dimensions. The bike rides on Harley's modern Softail frame, balancing comfort and stability. It weighs around 318 kilograms, has a low 675mm seat height, and an 18.9-liter fuel tank. Both wheels are 18 inches, giving it a strong and stable presence while riding. Suspension and braking. Up front, you get a 49mm dual bending valve fork, and at the rear, a comfortable monoshock with preload adjustment. Braking is handled by disc brakes on both ends, and ABS is included as standard for better safety. Features and technology. The 2025 Fat Boy includes full LED lighting, keyless ignition, a digital plus analog cluster, cruise control, a USB-C charging port, and enhanced traction and stability systems. Colors and pricing. It comes in colors like black denim, vivid black, red rock, and billiard gray. International pricing ranges from $21,999 to $23,499 depending on the country and taxes. Conclusion. Overall, the 2025 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy 114 is perfect for riders who want big torque, classic American cruiser style, and premium performance. If you love power, comfort, and commanding road presence, the Fat Boy continues to be one of Harley's strongest icons.